What's up, guys? Jeremy here. Got a quick Fabricators tech tip for you. Chaos Garage also. I forget that sometimes. Anyways, quick tip for you. How do you weld up a corner without having to kind of repeat it over and over? So the best way to put enough weld into a corner in order to form it. Now, so as you're welding, sometimes on your pieces here, to give yourself a nice corner, see, like right there, that's kind of an obvious one. You can use a tool like this. So when you lay it down in there, you put it in there, and then you just kind of look right down through there, right? See how it's lifted? That means you've got enough weld that when you go to grind that smooth, it's going to have a corner. Now, I'm doing a rounded edge on this one, so that way I can match the actual edge down here. So I don't want to, have a perfectly straight edge. So the easiest way to double check your work, if you're not sure without adding too much material, is use one of these guys. Sorry, I'm trying to get the camera in there for you. Alright, see, like that. So now right here, that's almost dead on perfect for me, but in your case you might want to do a check on that. So, and of course, if you notice that, looks like I got a little out of square there somewhere. Oh well, it must be just a wave. Oh, or I'm on some tack. Oh well, but yeah, so if you don't want to weld up too high, have excessive material that you're going to end up grinding out, the best way is to use this to double check real quick, so you only have to grind it one time. Or just weld the crap out of it and put a whole lot of material in there. And that way you make one good pass and you got your nice round corner here. And I made a tech tip video just because, guess what? I did not remember my own tech. I was in a rush and it bit me in the butt. So it just shows people, use your tools, slow down and go through the process, basically to make your life easier. So when you're welding, grinding, fabricating, it's just important to, take your time and do it correct the first time. So that way you're not doing any extra grinding like I'm about to have to. So stay tuned. We do have more tech tip videos coming out, stuff on mechanicking and grinding and fabricating, welding, and that kind of stuff. And if you want anything else, if you got ideas of stuff that you'd like to learn that I might be able to record for you, please just comment, and I'll happily do that or when I get a chance. So I am making a list of a couple things, and look forward to showing you guys some more stuff. So have a wonderful day. I'm Jeremy. This is Chaos Garage. Like, subscribe, comment.